Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Cardano with Bitfinex step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Go to the Bitfinex website. Log in to your Bitfinex account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your wallet section. Find the Cardano ADA option in your wallet. Click on Cardano to view your balance and transaction options. To initiate a transfer, look for the Withdraw button and click it. In the withdrawal form, select Cardano from the cryptocurrency drop-down menu. Enter the recipient's Cardano wallet address in the provided field. Double-check the wallet address to ensure accuracy. Next, input the amount of Cardano you wish to transfer. Review any transaction fees that may apply. Once you have confirmed the details, click on the Withdraw button. You may be prompted to complete any necessary security verification steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After successful verification, your withdrawal request will be processed. You can check the status of your transaction under the Transactions History section. Once processed, the Cardano will be sent to the recipient's wallet. Remember to keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding your transfer. Your transfer is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.